Okay, you call right here.
Yeah,
awesome. I'm from Ontario. I'm from Ontario. You know? Oh, yeah? You know, yeah, I got Spanish blood and Arabic in me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where you say you're from?
I'm from North Africa, Ontario. Yeah, you know Morocco, right into it?
Africa, Nigeria?
No, Algeria. You know Morocco?
Yeah.
No, I got Spanish blood in me. You know Spanish blood? Yeah. You want to give a shout out?
Talk about here every Sunday.
You want to give a shout out to people? All the homies. All right, all the homies, bro. Thank you.
We out here in Fresno, California. Check in.
Hey, long life from Mexico, bro. Yeah.
All the way from Fresno.
Yeah, the bulldog. Bulldog. Yeah, here we go, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you. from my YouTube channel. I know the guy over there. What's up, buddy? How are you? Donut from my YouTube channel. You want to give a shout out to people in Fresno?
Hey.
Yes, thank you. Any impression? There you go. All right.
Driving over right there.
There you go. Thank you, brother. Just curious here, you want to give a shout out to the people in Fresno and dedicating the video for my YouTube channel, and a shout out to the big, here we go, let me see here. Yeah, you want, yeah, big shout out to the people from the fire department.
Yes, Fresno Fire.
Yeah,
Station Fire.
Station Fire. Yes, and God give them courage, because that's the hard responsibility, you know. And as you know, 9/11, so they were all there saving people's life. And you know, we give a great respect to the people in the fire department, and God bless them.
We're happy to do it.
Thank you, bro.
Have a good one. Whoa.
Sorry about that. Thank you.
That's all. Damn. Damn. I think you were saying.
That's a beautiful jewelry you got. Beautiful jewelry. Nice. Yeah, it looks like made out of gold, you know? Yeah. So you got a golden lady for a golden car, right? Yep. Yeah. You want to give a shout out to people in Fresno for my YouTube channel? Thank you. Here's the proud owner right there.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you.
All right.
Right on Fresno, Cali.
Exactly.
We're doing it big time right here at the Manchester Center.
Manchester Mall. Everybody enjoy themselves.
Right, thank you.
Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you. That's a baby right there. She's pregnant. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually got two of them. So I got this one and I got another one. That one I
The
had.
engine is all covered with chrome.
I got this one.
Amazing. The plates looks like golden plate covering the battery. Look at that. Look at all that work. Amazing. All right. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Been there for like 2 hours.
Thank you, brother. You want to give a shout out to people of Fresno, my YouTube channel. Thank you. He's a proud brother right there. Thank you, brother.